How to change the BPM of a sample in FL Studio? Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. You can also, by the way, leave a like, then I will also know that this video helped you out. But over here I have a sample. It's by Matthew and prod by Matthew, and I just downloaded this one real quick just to show you guys, because as you can see, this is in 124 BPM and my current project is in 130 BPM. Now, how can we actually change the BPM correctly? Well, now if I put this on and I start playing it, we can actually hear that it's completely off beat, and that is because this is 124 BPM and this one is 130. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to make sure that it is synced to 130 BPM. By doing that, you want to click on this part. Here we want to click on Fit to Tempo. And here we want to click on Type in BPM. Now here you have to type in the BPM of your sample. So in this case, 124. So I'm going to fill that in and click on this check mark. Now it will start loading, and as you can see, it's perfectly on time. So let's play real quick. There we go. It's perfect on time now. And now what we can do is, first of all, if you double click on this, make sure that the mode is set on stretch. And now what we can do is simply change the BPM. Now, if I put it really high, you can see that this doesn't change anything. And now if I play this, or just put it a little bit lower, you can see that it is still on time. So now you can change the BPM to whatever you would like without going off time. So in this case, this sample already has the BPM in the name. Let's say you are using a song, like a really popular song, and you want to sample it. What you can do is simply search on Google to what BPM is this song. Then on this website over here, song BPM, you can search for pretty much any song there is. So what you can do, for example, is search, let's say you want to sample this song here by Travis Scott. You can already see the BPM right over here. And pretty much if you search for any BPM, you can find or pretty much if you search for any song, you can find the BPM over here. So that's actually quite nice. And yeah, that is simply how to change the BPM of a sample.